Welcome back to another Porsche Car Whisperer video. I'm going to be doing another requested video this week. Shout out to you, Amit, on this new function called Smart Lift. Usually, as you're approaching a really steep driveway, since your Taycan is so low, you're going to want to automatically raise the car. But now with model year 2021, you can actually save those locations. So next time you get to that steep driveway, your Taycan will automatically raise. Let me show you guys how to set it up. So as soon as you try to lift your Taycan, as soon as you reach that steep driveway, let me show you guys how to make sure that Smart Lift is actually turned on. Otherwise, it's not going to prompt you to save that location in the future. So let's go ahead and dive into the PCM. So the first thing we're going to want to do is we're actually going to want to go to the settings if we're here on the home screen. You're going to want to scroll down here to Vehicle. And then after that, we're going to scroll down just a little bit further. There's going to be something called Smart Lift. Go ahead and select that. And you're going to want to check and make sure that the check mark is selected for Activate Smart Lift. Because if it's not, as soon as we do this next sequence, your Taycan is not going to want to save that location. So let's go ahead and test it out. Holy smokes, that looks like that's a pretty steep driveway. I should probably raise my Taycan before I go through it so I don't risk scraping it. So to save this location on your 2021 Taycan, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to press on the instrument cluster the lift function. The car's going to automatically start to lift. Right here in the PCM, it's going to ask if we want to save this location. We do. So go ahead and press save. And it's as easy as that. The next time you come to this location, your car will automatically raise up. But how much does it actually raise up? Well, if you're in the lowest setting, your car is going to be about 106 millimeters off of the ground, and it's about another 42 millimeters all the way to the top. We're probably usually going to be driving in the regular setting, so that's about 128 millimeters. It's going to raise it an additional 20 millimeters, so it's going to take us to about 148 millimeters total. For those of us that are in the United States, that's almost 6 inches between the ground and the lip of your Taycan. Now, you can always delete these functions as well. So let's say you didn't like where it was saved, you can wipe them and start again. And I'll show you guys how to do that. So if you're here in the PCM, we'll just go back here to the home screen. We're going to go to Settings. We're going to go exactly to where we were earlier when we were making sure that Smart Lift was active. We're going to go here to Smart Lift. You can look at your saved locations, and it actually shows you the GPS coordinates, which is really cool. But if you don't like it, you can go ahead and press the Edit button. You can name it, so maybe this would be your home driveway as to where you're going to want to actually raise it, or maybe it's as you're going into your office. If you want to delete it, you'll actually just go back here and you'll just go to click Delete All Saved Positions, and you just press Delete. So that is how you save the Smart Lift location for your 2021 Taycan. If you guys have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below. As always, I really appreciate you guys watching these videos and all the support thus far. We'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.